Silva, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 24th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. This is from the Bluebook app, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 24 reads, which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? Soon you see answer choices like this, transitions. You got to determine whether the sentence itself and the sentence before it shows similarity or difference. That'll help you get rid of some of the answer choices. And then we narrow it down and get more specific. So the paragraph reads, some members of the U.S. Supreme Court have resisted calls to televise the court's oral arguments, concerned that participants would be tempted to perform for the cameras and thus lower the quality of the discourse. Blank. The justices worry that most viewers would not even watch the full deliberations, only short clips that could be misinterpreted and mischaracterized. So, do those two sentences show similarity or difference? They show similarity. So there are two reasons that the Supreme Court have resisted calls to televise the court's oral arguments. Okay, one is that participants would be tempted to perform for the cameras. And the other is that viewers would only watch short clips that could be misinterpreted and mischaracterized. So what we've got is two reasons that the U.S. Supreme Court is not looking to televise the court's oral arguments. In other words, you've got two reasons, you've got the first reason, and then you've got an additional reason. Answer choice B is going to be your correct answer. In comparison, you have compare and contrast. Comparisons use similarity. And yes, they are similar, but you would not use in comparison in this. We're not comparing theatrics performing for the cameras to short clips. And answer choice D is wrong as well, although it shows similarity. Short clips that could be misinterpreted and mischaracterized is not an example of people performing for the camera. B is your best answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with transition questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok.